Our 24-foot color-changing LED string lights can turn any patio, porch, or walkway into an enchanting landscape. These 24-foot color-changing LED string lights are linkable with up to 6 sets for an impressive 144 feet of beautiful light. They feature a 16-gauge heavy-duty wire for outdoor use and come with 2 replacement bulbs. This 12-bulb LED string light strand is weatherproof to withstand the toughest conditions, and all bulbs are shatterproof for extreme durability. These LED bulbs have extended runtimes when compared with incandescents and can last for over 60,000 hours. What makes these lights unique is that they come with a color-changing remote that you can cycle through one of 9 beautiful colors with, as well as change to various strobe modes. They are easy to use. Just plug the string lights into an outlet and watch your backyard transform. This is just one of the many outdoor accent lighting options we have at Harbor Freight. Come visit us at any of our 1,000+ locations or visit us online at harborfreight.com.